Hey there, foodies. Today we're cooking up something warm and hearty to beat the rainy day blues. We're making a nutritious and comforting yellow split pea soup. It's packed with protein, fiber, and a whole lot of flavor. There's something magical about picking vegetables straight from the garden. As most soups, this one too starts with sautéed onions and celery. Salt and pepper is always a must. Cooking without measuring is something I truly enjoy, and that's when cooking truly comes from the heart. Giving your split peas a good rinse to get rid of any impurities is a good idea. Garlic, a bay leaf, and some fresh dill will add wonderful flavor to our soup. Now we'll add plenty of water and bring it to a boil. We'll let our peas cook for about an hour and a half, and in the meantime, let's chop up some potatoes. Let's not forget to pull out the bay leaf before pureeing the soup. Potatoes and carrots, welcome to the party! Nothing beats cooking with fresh ingredients. Since separating thyme leaves is time-consuming, I made a thyme bouquet using some kitchen twine, and throwing it in our soup like this will make it easier to fish it out later. Then we'll let our soup simmer away for another 30 minutes, allowing all those beautiful flavors to meld together. Once it's all cooked, I like to add crushed garlic, parsley, and lemon juice for additional flavor boost. And there you have it, our hearty yellow split pea soup, perfect for a rainy day like today. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cozy recipes. Until next time, homemade is always better.